So long sessions will be there. 2 long session, 2 hours. Saturday 2 hours and Sunday 2 hours or 3 hours. That depends upon what the tool we have, right? So that is planned for Kubernetes. Timings I will let you know. Anyhow, we have respect to Google Drives now. There I will update the timings and meeting ID also I'll update there. Don't worry about this. Fine. Okay. So let's come to Docker, guys. Mostly, if everything goes wrongly, rightly, sorry. By seeing you, all my statements are becoming wrong. Okay. Morning you did not come. Why? Arey, stop throwing those cream biscuits, ra. Okay. Ah, they will work in opposite gender, not with me. Ah, no, they are also becoming intelligent nowadays. They are also identifying what is cream biscuit, what is real biscuit. Okay, na? And in reverse, they are throwing cream biscuits nowadays. Okay, fine. So, fact is fact. How many days you will survive with cream biscuits? Hmm. You cannot survive with cream biscuits every day. Bakrida. 7th is Bakrida. Okay, don't worry. Morning you celebrate Bakrid, evening you attend. Okay. I understood. I understood. Morning you are busy distributing Bakri to everyone, right? Okay. Evening, after completion of distribution, please come and join. No. Right. Super. Okay. I think Bakrid is not holiday for us. Only Ramjan and Christmas and 1-2 other festivals we have holiday, not for other festivals. Right. Okay. First, I'll take all your queries, boys, at the end of the session, but let's conclude Docker tool today. Okay. I want to develop one Spring Boot application using IDE, Spring Boot or Spring application, and I want to pack through container. I want to run through Docker container. Shall we start the game? Okay. Other day we developed a standalone application in the command prompt level, but let's use a Docker from the IDE level. IDE level, keeping that project in what? Git repository, downloading from repository, some hangama I want to do, right? Okay, guys, let's deal with that. Here is our paint, guys. I think when is course started, guys? Any idea? I think in the April, na? April 10th, around April 10th. Okay, fine. Okay, I think you got a good content. You understood how to use each tool. Confidence has come. Earlier, when you are walking on the streets, when you are staying in the hostel, these names might have heard from that friend, this friend, right? Docker, Jenkins. You might have thought, what is this Greek and Latin terminology, right? At least you are able to identify what is what. At least one-liners you can give. Practicals, God knows, at least one-liners you can give are not there. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Wicket, wicket, wicket. Wicket, wicket. No, latecomer should go backside only. Go. You sit, madam. Right. Next, where is that? 1103. No, what's our batch code? Class content, tools FS. Where is this? Hey, sorry. What is this? 701. Where is that? Docker, 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 Docker. Yes. Here, what is there? Session 3. All screenshot neatly given, guys. Screenshots neatly given. Some people say, since you are giving everything neatly, that's why no errors are coming. To see great ho, right? Okay. Making Spring Boot standalone application. Nothing but what, guys? Jar file as the Docker application. Okay, that's good. Develop Spring Boot project. I'm not keeping main logics great, guys. I'll write SOPs only, right? Okay, see, I don't know Spring Boot. If you know also, nothing to worry. When you create a project, you will get a main method with the default code. There you write one SOP. It can be any Spring Boot project, not only this. because everything, it may have a number of classes, but that is really does not matter. It's at the end Spring Boot application. Within the project folder, you have to create Docker file. There you have to write the information. There you have to write the information. This one we are going to keep in what? Pros folder. What is that? GitHub. From GitHub, using Maven, using Git client and other thing we download to local folder. And we package through Maven commands, clean package kind of thing, right? Then we will bring Docker commands into picture to create, to build a Docker image. And by running Docker image, we create Docker container. Once we create Docker container, it will run the application. Then we can keep the Docker image in what? A Docker hub as usually like other day. And I can make everyone accessing the application. Anyone, at least one person downloaded my Docker image, which I kept other day? Not even one person. I have shared username, password also. Come on, Ra Babu. Okay. Okay. Tell me here, new. Others. Yeah, the people who don't know Spring Boot, don't worry, you will study in future. Yeah, to create Spring Boot project, what is the option we should use, guys? Spring Starter project. It is not Maven project. It's a starter. Okay, where I have to give name of the project? Yeah, let me give Docker SBAPP1. What is SB? Savings bank account, right? No, Spring Boot application one. What application one? Spring Boot application one. Where is this? Where? No, not where. It's a standalone application jar. Say, okay. No, I want to use which tool internally? Maven. Array, you need not to worry about Maven story. It internally generates everything. I think except a few people who belongs to 11 o'clock, remaining all people aware of what? Spring Boot. Yeah, I'm not adding any starter. I'm happy with the default starters. I'm really happy with what? Default starters. Docker SB application one. Docker SB is a standalone application. No need of any entries in application.property file. Okay, that's great. Main. Oh, here let me change package. Generally, we take com.nt as the root package, guys. Super. Don't change anything. Even package name also you can create while creating this. Spring Docker SBAPP1. I'm not writing anything, guys. Okay. Sys out. Welcome to what, guys? Spring Boot Docker application. That's it. Max to max, I want to do this, not more than that. Okay. Now tell me, I'm asking one straight away question. I want to use Maven, no doubt in that. Okay. But when I pack the application into jar, project name will come as the default jar file name. But I want to get control on that jar file name. What is the tag I should use, guys, in pom.xml? In pom.xml, final name. Yes, boss? Okay. So go to pom.xml, guys. Go to pom.xml. Here is my final name. Here is my final name. Okay. Yes, boss. In this place, final name. Yeah. Final name. Docker APP1. Some name I am taking. Docker APP1. Otherwise, to be more precise, Docker SBAPP1. Docker Spring Boot application 1. That's really perfect or not, guys? Okay, let's try locally once whether it is running or not. Run as Java application. Welcome to Docker APP is coming or not there? Okay, now let me put this SOP. Let me put this SOP statement after run method so that you will get message after log messages, right? Right now, my focus is not on Spring Boot, guys. I just want to take some Spring Boot application. It code can be anything. You can have a lot of target classes, dependent classes, injections, whatever you want, you can add it. I don't have any problem. Welcome to Spring Boot. Docker APP has come now, my dear. Perfect. Okay, that's good. We are learning all these things from what perspective? Developer perspective. What perspective, guys? Developer. Okay, that's great. Right. It's running locally, but my interest is not running locally. I want to containerize so that I can keep in Docker Hub. Anyone in the world can download, can execute without having Spring in their computer, Java in their computer. Just by having Docker in their computer, they can run the code or not, guys. Online students, are you there? Online students. Okay. Final name, not final. Okay. Now, where should I keep this Docker file? To build a Docker image, I have to have a Docker file now, boss. Yes. Right click. Where is right click? Yes. Right click. Where is this file? D capital. What is there? D capital. F small letter. That's a default name. I'm happy with the default name. If you want, you can change, but not required. Okay. From OpenJDK, to run the standalone application, JDK required or not? Workdir/app1, that's the logical folder, guys. Copy target/jar2. What, guys? Target/jar2 application1. When you build the project, jar file comes in target folder. Even target folder is output folder or not, guys? Yeah, that's one. And I'm asking to run like this. What is that? CMD Java -jar. When project is there in jar, you have to use -jar. Java -jar file name. Java -jar file name. But right now, what is the jar file name, guys? Here, book app1. That's why book or boot order. You may confuse one. Here also, let me say boot. Boot. No. In our, see, this is reference code, na? We try to match here only. In our project, this is what? Docker SB app1 will give the same thing. Right. Okay, let's see, guys. From OpenJDK. Okay, no uppercase, case sensitive. We noticed that. What is next one? Workdir/application1. Next, copy target/star.jar/application1. Next, what is there? CMD come on. Open floor bracket and closing floor bracket. Open floor bracket and closing floor bracket. Java -jar. What is this? What is there? Docker SBAP. That's going to be class name now, boss. That's going to be jar file name, right? Okay. That's going to be jar file. I think all correct, syntax wise, all correct. Each letter matters sometimes, boss. Space, done. Space, done. First argument, second argument, third argument. But in the whole discussion, we missed comma. In the whole discussion, we missed comma. Convinced with me, guys. Java -jar Docker SBAPP1.jar, guys. What is there? Docker SBAPP1.jar. Convinced, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay. from OpenJDK, workdir/app1, copy targets star.jar/app1, cmd java -jar docker sbapp1.jar. Okay, guys, it is tested locally. Now I have to keep in GitHub or run. Share project, shared, guys. What is our local repository? This one, guys. Finish, my dear. Git staging is the folder. Here, what is this? You have to commit the code, right? Yeah, tell me. Commit the message. Commit the message. Yeah. Okay. Initial commit. What commit, guys? Initial commit. Push head. Say push. Close, guys. Close. Okay. Let me confirm whether it is there or not there. Don't worry. I will develop packing of one web application also. We will see web application also. Don't worry. Ah, tell me next one, guys. GitHub.com. GitHub.com. That's great. GitHub.com. What is our project, guys? 701 is our repository. In that one, let me confirm. In that one, let me confirm. Docker SBAPP1 is there or not there? Okay, that part is very clear, guys. Okay, this part is done. Share project. Okay, git init. So, sir, git client, I'm git client I'm taking in command prompt, boss. Yeah, other day we have some folder, boss. D drive, Docker apps, our batch 701, demo 1, demo 2, one for development, one for testing we have taken. Can I take one more folder, demo 3? Yeah, demo 3, that's good. In this demo 3, go to command prompt. Already Git is installed for some reason in our computer. While Jenkins, we have installed Git. Yeah, let me initialize Git in this computer. Git init. Initialized empty repository. This Git is initialized in this computer or not, guys? Git init. Yeah, before doing this, make sure that keep the project in Git repository. Git init, right, boss? Okay, Git init. Before this, make sure that what is that? Git is installed in your computer. What is the other one? Git client. What is the software installed in Git bash? Yeah. Make sure that make sure that Git bash is already installed in your computer. Make sure that Git bash is already installed in your computer. That's great, guys. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Now from the Git, I want to get the projects, guys. Shall we get all the projects? It is not a Docker pull, Git pull. Git pull. What is the URL, guys? This is the Git URL, my dear. If you do practical, all these things looks known things. If you don't do practical, Sari is coming, moving mouse, typing keyboard and going. That's what I say. Practice, practice. Who listens to me? Ah, you listen. Show me Git practicals. Okay, tomorrow so many things will happen. Oh, okay. Git pull. What is there? Git pull. From which place you want to get? Master. Actually, no other things are there. Default master only. If you don't mention also, no problem. Check it out, guys. Not one project. Total 3 projects will be coming, boss. Sorry, 2 projects. Jenkins web app, this one. Only 2 projects are there, na? Okay, now I'll get into this folder. Okay, now whatever I do, I have to do from that folder now onwards. Okay, see, it is getting DIR. Both projects are given. Very clearly, I mentioned everything. Sir, match names also. Sorry, I cannot match names. Okay, now I'm getting into that folder, right? I'm getting into that folder. Where is this? MVN clean package. Why strength is less today? It's raining, huh? Oh, MVN clean package, but not here, guys. CD, what is this? Today is Amavasya. Komaliji Ware. Komaliji Ware, are you from Orissa? If my guess is right, you are from Orissa. I will tell why. Because they only pronounce wa as a ba. They only pronounce what? Wa as ba. And yes, okay. Yeah, today is Amavasya. So what? That is for Tamilians. They love darkness like anything. Okay. That is for Tamilian, not for you. Yeah, Docker SB APP1. Docker SB APP1. Tell me, guys. MVN. Where pom.xml, get into that folder. Clean the existing one. I'm asking to package. MVN. MVN is another Maven command, guys. Clean package. MVN clean package. I'm using everything from command prompt. Already Maven is installed for Jenkins. That's why I'm able to do all this stuff, right? Okay, MVN clean package. So now it is happily what? Packing everything or guys? Oh, error, build failure. Why? Why? What's the error, guys? What is the error? Should not come, error should not come here. I suppose not to get the error. Okay, I'll tell the reason. Nothing is there. But some default unit testing code has come, which is useless for us right now. Which is really useless. Remove. Because are you running any? Are we running any testing code, guys? Any testing also internally. That's why. Okay. Change one. It happens, boss. Sometimes it happens. Every error teaches something to us, right? Okay. So now go back. Once again, git to pull. Once again, git to pull. Now we got the latest code. What our changes only coming? CD Docker SB APP1 MVN clean package. This will give me jar file, my dear. This time build success will come. I am very confident on that. Yes. Build success has come or not. Some default unit testing code is there, which is not corrected by me. It is doing something nonsense, which is not matching to our requirement. That's why I removed that one. Okay, now you check it out. In target folder, jar is created or not? In target folder, cd dot dot, oh sorry, cd docker app dir, tell me, cd target dir. Jar is created or not? Docker SB app 1 dot jar. My theory and practical is matching or not matching up? Okay, that's good. In the same folder, in the same base folder, Docker file is also there. Okay, our inputs also ready. Now I can start focusing on building Docker image now. Yeah, anyone remembered how to create the Docker image? How to prepare the, what is the command we have? Docker build. -t. Tell me next one. Image name. Okay, I have to give image name. Reference is there, but once in a while you can type without reference also, right, guys? Reference also, right, guys? Okay. Docker build -t image name dot. Okay, what is the name I want to say? Docker SB app image dot. It is trying to prepare the image, my dear. Okay, what's the problem, guys? 1 minute. I said something gone wrong. Docker build -t build app1 image dot. What's the problem, guys? Image name is my choice now. Image name is my choice now. Why are you worried, guys? System cannot find Docker build. Is Docker ready in this system? Let me say Docker version. Docker version is ready. Okay, 1 minute. I'll start Docker desktop once. This could be the reason, guys. I need to start Docker desktop once. Docker is active. Docker engine stopped, boss. This is the reason. Signed in as this. Why Docker engine stopped, guys? What happened? Why Docker engine is stopped? Extensions. Let's go to services.emsc. Click on it. Unexpected error came. Here is what? Docker service. Any disturbance in Docker service? No, not there. Now check it out. Docker engine is started or stopped. It is still showing Docker engine stopped. I don't know why. Hey Docker, what happened? Yesterday you are right. It's not showing any error also here. Here Docker service in Docker subtask service is running mode, but here it is showing this. What's happening, guys? Refresh. Natraz Docker. Account settings. Docker service. Docker service. Sign out. Log out. Docker.com. Enter key. Where is this? Yeah. Natraz Docker. It is in launch. Launch Docker desktop. Launch Docker desktop. Here is what? Docker desktop. Sign in. Natraz Docker. Continue. Yeah, continue. Yeah, that is good. But here Docker is stopped. I don't know why. Docker paused. Sign in. Arey, what's happening, guys? Proceed to Docker desktop. Proceed to Docker desktop application. No, it's a problem with the Docker only, guys. Ayyo, what is the solution for this problem? Reinstaller, personal terminal. If I get something, I can do something. It's not showing anything here. Docker engine. Okay. This can prevent Docker from starting use at own risk. General systems enable Docker terminal. Fail to fetch extension. Apply. Account settings. Everything is good now, boss. What happened all of a sudden? Is it checking our patience? Does it checking our patience? How to activate this engine then? No menu coming, nothing is active. Docker engine, daemon by Docker, configuration file. For everything it is going there, guys. Docker docs. Okay, very bad. At the bottom, no, thing is, here it's saying Docker started. It's started and it's saying it's running, boss. Docker desktop service is in running, but I'm not able to use the service, right? Come on, guys. Okay, 1 minute. I'll go to control panel. I'll try to delete Docker desktop software. Programs uninstall. Where is this? Docker desktop uninstall. Say yes. Removing and images. Uninstalled successfully. No need of restarting laptop for everything. Restart is not a solution. I used to have, where is this? Downloads. Where is download option? Other day we downloaded now, boss. Downloads. Docker desktop installer. Run as administrator. Say yes. Allows Windows container to be used within this. Say okay. Today some surprise has come. Sudden surprise has come. Fine. Docker desktop. Unpacking the files. This much time. Other day also this much time is taken. It has taken time for installation. I did not remember as such. I think even network issues also there. Installation started, guys. That's good. Okay, installation succeeded. Docker desktop, guys. Accept terms and conditions. Personal. Skip it. Starting Docker engine. Yes. We are ready with the menu, na? Okay, sign in. Okay, meanwhile you observe. Yes, it is also signed in, guys. Okay, already created a search for images. That's good. Yeah, it's a freshly installed one, no fresh images. Okay, now you observe this error. Repository name must be lowercase. Which repository name? Okay, image name. Okay. Docker. What is there? SBAPP. Docker SBAPP image name. Yeah, it's preparing image name, my dear. Patience. Patience is very, very important. How patiently you will wait for what? Certain calls. Same patience is required. Okay. Right. Especially you got selected in campus, but they are not releasing offer letter and joining date. You'll wait very patiently in a boss, and you'll give polite mails. When will be the joining? When will be the joining? They'll say something. Again, you will wait. Yes. Okay. So same patience how to show. When error comes, people feels tension. In the tension, they do more errors. Yes. So when anything great happened, which is unexpected, 5 to 10 minutes, think with peace of mind. Solution will come. Yeah, some solutions will come with experience. Some solution will come when you analyze. Okay, transferring context. Image preparation is going on, guys. 5 by 8 steps. 5 steps are completed. Another steps are there. Okay, I think we are in a correct Wi-Fi. Naresh IT 4G. I think correct one only. Let's not disturb that. Students also not giving any complaint. Let's not disturb that. Yeah, it's open JDK, everything, na? Taking time. Definitely taking time, no doubt. How can you say, how are you getting that much big error in a monet? Array, see that, read the error. In error only solution will be there. I read error. See here, what is there? System cannot be specified. Linux engine, some desktop Linux engine. That is enough, na? Engine is having some problem. And second one must be lowercase. Lowercase. No, don't say I read fastly. No, I'm. Oh, this much time to our building email. Huh? Network issue. Now net is full, ra babu. Net is full. Now I cannot blame net. Signals are coming full. Fast.com. Fast.com. Oh, net is also having issue, boss. Net is also having issue. 2.6. What I can do with that? Chakka bhajana. Naresh IT ground connect. Okay. Tell me how to delete this. Docker, Docker system, prune -a. Yes, net is having problem, amma. Chala important. Audio కాదు, net problem. I connected to 4G only. See, KPBS లో వస్తుంది. 4G only connect చేసి. డౌన్ అయింది, ఉన్నట్టు డౌన్ అయింది. గ్రౌండ్ అస్సలు కనెక్ట్ కావట్లా. నరేష్ ఐటీ వైఫై ఏమన్నా రీస్టార్ట్ చేస్తావా? Yeah, it's good now. 49. Okay, manageable. Okay, now let's come back to the subject. Now let's come back to the subject. Docker SB app dot. Okay, 2 by 3. Image building is going on, guys. 5 by 8. 5 taking this much time, guys. But I have not seen it taking this much time, guys. Fine, whatever it is, we have to wait. No option. What's the net speed now? 12 Mbps, 18, 20. Okay, manageable but not great. Array, then push takes a lot of time na boss. Array, why today only it's happening, guys? Array, again drop it, Babu. Again drop it to 24. This 24, 23 will not going to work out. Okay, done. Okay, done. Image is ready, my dear. Okay, super. Now I have to create a container. You have to run the image. How to run? Docker run. What is the name? Image name. What's the name, guys? Docker SBAPPIMG. That's it. Enter key. Yes. See, Springboard. Welcome to Springboard Docker application. We are ready with this. Now we have to keep in the Docker hub so that I can use anywhere. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Tell me next one. Video is lagging. Okay, now good. Now good, guys. Yeah, it's good, guys. Net is not so bad. 50, 40. That's good. Adjust. Docker login. Docker login. You have to log in with username, password or not, guys. Okay, already given username, passwords are there. That's good. Info, login with a different account, Docker logout followed by Docker login. So right now, username, Docker, all this stuff is happening. Tell me, first you have to create a tag now, boss. What is the tag? How to create a tag? Docker tag. Some syntax is there. What's the syntax to follow, my dear? Image, run the image, output came, push the image. Docker tag, first image name, username, come on, repository. Okay, tag name. Tag name is my choice, right? Tell me, Docker tag. What is the image I want to push? Docker SB app image. Am I right? Docker SB app image. Yeah, what is this? Natraz Docker slash fs repo 701 colon tag name. What is the tag name? Docker SB app tag. Tag is ready, boss. Okay, now you have to push the tag or not there. Docker push. Okay, Docker push. This you have to copy paste as it is. Select enter key means copied. Say paste. Enter key. Okay, use of closed network. Okay, it is pushed, guys. How to confirm whether it is pushed or not? Come to anything, guys. Tell me. Dockerhub.com. Dockerhub.com. Okay, sign in, boss. This is Natraz only, na? Fine, whatever it is. This is Natraz. Docker, this one. F0, F701. F701. But I think we have kept some other name, guys. Oh, that's a mistake happened. Only one thing is there. Okay. Is there any new repository created? F, FS repo 701 not there. Okay. Mistake happened, boss. Yeah. Tell me once again. Create a new tag. Once again, create a new tag. In that tag, what is the one I should do, guys? FS701. It is not FS, guys. It is FS. Next one, push. What is there? FS701. Yes. Okay. Now it is pushing, but earlier where it is pushed, I don't know. Eh, Where it is pushed, I don't know, but fine. Okay. Layer already exists. Okay. Come to this FS01. Refresh. It is pushed now, my dear. Okay, that's great. Okay, now I want to give the feeling. Those who are having Docker in your system, you can pull it and you can start executing it, right? But I want to give the fresh feeling here. What I do is come to this. I'll create a new folder called demo4. I'll create a new folder called what? Demo4. What is the folder? Demo4. Open this, guys. Go to fresh command prompt. Go to fresh command prompt. That's great. Tell me next one. I want to give the feeling no images in this computer. Docker system prune a. Delete everything. Yes, delete everything. So no nothing. Okay, check it out. Docker ps-a. No containers. Docker images, no images. Are you feeling it, guys? Tell me next one. Docker pull. What is there? Docker pull. Tell me. Docker pull. That tag name, guys. What is the tag name? Natraz Docker. FS. FS. What is there? 701 colon FS701 colon. What's the name? Docker SB app tag. Okay, it is pulling, boss. It is pulling. Freshly image came. Freshly image came. Okay, freshly image. Tag is nothing but alternate to image name. Because tag is technical. Image is technical name. Tag is for display purpose. Okay. It's something like this, guys. Medicine will have technical name, but outside they will sell with some brand name or not, guys. Every plant will have some technical name, but outside we say rose plant, okay, lily plant, but its technical name is different. Biological, not biological. What is that? Bio name, scientific name. Scientific name is different, right? Okay. Is that clear, guys? Come on, everyone. FS701 Docker SB app tag, boss. Docker SB app tag. It's really happening or not, guys? Okay. So now you have to run this, guys. How to this? Docker run. Where is the one word I want to run? Enter. Yes. Welcome to Spring Boot Docker. Not only in this system, in any mission, we can do the same thing, guys. Okay, now quickly, without wasting time, let's containerize web application. Containerize web application. Develop web application, test it locally. Final name is Docker test web application. I'm not doing anything. I'm just keeping index.html, their Docker application. Nothing great I am doing, guys. Okay. So right now focus is not on the content of the web application. Focus is what? Containerizing the web application. Yeah. Up to some steps it is same, guys. But while doing packing and execution, some headache is there. Be careful. Yeah. Tell me. I will take it as what? Maven project or web application. Anything you can take. Let me check what you have taken. This is normal web application only I have taken, guys. Tell me. It's a Maven web application or normal application? What I have taken here, guys? SRC main Java. That means it's a Maven web application. Okay. No, since all people are not aware of Spring MVC, I'm going for this. Maven. I think I can take existing application. Why I'm wasting my resources? I can happily take existing one, boss. Yeah, where is this? Where is that? Where is that? Jenkins web app is there, na? Copy paste. I'll change the name to what? Docker web app. Save. Okay. Docker web app. Yeah, let's change the context path once. Let's change the context path once. Web project settings. Tell me here, what is this? Docker web app. Apply, okay, apply and close. Apply, okay, apply and close, guys. We are ready with this? Yeah, we are definitely ready with this. What do you say, guys? Docker web app. Okay, apply and close. Yeah. Let me test this application is running locally or not. Run on server, say next, remove all, save finish, save okay. Save finish, save okay. Season name, it's coming or not coming? Okay, that's good. Go to pom.xml. Go to pom.xml, guys. Go to pom.xml, guys. Okay, this is okay, guys. That's fine. This is okay. Final name. Where is that final name? Yeah, Jenkins web app is there. Let's make it as what? Docker web app. Docker web app. Okay, and that's great. Yeah, where should I add a Docker file? In the project folder. What folder, guys? Project folder. New, where is this? File. Docker file. In this Docker file, where is this? From Tomcat 10, JDK 10. But I read today I need Tomcat 11. I am working with the 21 version. Okay, now I have to search for Tomcat 11 image. Tomcat 11 search for image, Tomcat image, guys. 11 image, guys. Okay, Tomcat 11 image, right, boss? Tomcat 10 or JDK 21 or Tomcat 11 JDK 21. This image I required or not required. Go to this place, images. Here is what? Images. Hub repositories. Okay, hub repositories. Search for, no, search for, where is this? Tomcat 11. What, guys? Tomcat 11 colon JDK 21. Inspire from existing one. Local also not coming. Tomcat 11. Here we click on Docker Hub, guys. Docker Hub. Tomcat, what is there? 11 colon. Tomcat 11 colon JDK. Tomcat 11 colon JDK. Yeah. Tomcat 11 Java 21 is there na boss? Tomcat 11 Java 21. There are not there, guys. Java 21. Okay, instead of Java, let me try for JDK 21 also. Docker Hub, tell me. Tomcat 11, inspire from existing one. Hyphen, okay. Tomcat 11 hyphen JDK 21. Search. Tomcat 11 hyphen JDK 21. Where is that? Is there any option like that? Not there. Not there. Tomcat. Okay. Here Java 21 is there. Yeah. Tell me. Tomcat 11 Java 21 is there, na boss? Take this. Taken this. Go to the project. Say from this. Yeah, no option. Like this only you have to search. No option, guys. After that, what next? Copy. Target slash. Tell me. Docker web app. What's the var file name, guys? Docker web app only, na? Docker web app. Okay. Docker web app dot var file 2 slash usr. Array, this is okay. Once Tomcat is installed in Docker, once Tomcat comes through Docker, the location of the software, guys. User slash local slash Tomcat slash. Are you understanding my user slash local slash? Check the spells. Tomcat slash web apps slash same Docker web app dot var na boss to this place. I am asking to copy the var file or not there, guys. Our name of the var file is Docker web. What's the name of the var we have taken? Docker web app. Same name is matching here. Docker web app. That's great. Really, really great, guys. Okay, now tell me. This is for display purpose, boss. Don't worry. If you don't write, also not a issue, guys. Expose. Array, we are not going to use external Tomcat. We are going to use this Tomcat. This Tomcat by default runs on what? 8080 port number. But in our system, 8080 is already busy, na? That's why I'm going to map with another port number. I'm going to map that port number with what? Another port number. I'll do like this. When I give request to my computer 66667777 port number 2, that should redirect the request to Docker container 8080 port number. Within Docker container, port numbers are different. In my system, port numbers are different. Okay. In my system, 8080 is already busy. Okay. But in my system, I will give request to some port number that I will redirect to what? Docker port number of 8080. Are you getting my point? This is called port mapping. What is that? Port mapping. Request given to our OS port is moved to what? Docker port. Docker port 8080. Docker itself separate system, virtual machine, guys. It is having its own OS, its own software. Their port numbers are different. Our operating system port numbers are different. So that's good. Right? I think no spell mistakes, local, everything is perfect, guys. USR, local, Tomcat, web apps, var file name. That's good. Okay, tested locally already. Now what should I do? Team, where is there? Share project, that's good. Local, save finish. Local, save finish. Up to 90% same what we did earlier. Only Docker file is changed. It's a web application, na? Tell me. Initial commit. What commit, guys? Initial commit. Commit and push. Close. Commit and push, close. Might have come, guys. Now, what I do is, I'll go to demo 4 folder. Okay. Now, demo 4 folder is used for certain purpose. Now, let me take what folder? Demo 5. Demo 5 folder. Yes, in this demo 5, I open the command prompt. Here I say git init. Initializing git there. Next what? Git to pull. What, guys? Git to pull. Repository URL or not? Where is repository URL? Yes. Go there. Copy this. Come here. Now no more requirement of this. Git to pull, paste. From where you want to pull, master. Okay, guys, tell me, dir. Earlier 2 folders, now 3rd folder has come. cd, tell me, Docker web star. Okay, dir. Docker web star dir. Tell me now what is there. Tell me now what is there, guys. Docker web app. Huh? Docker file. Yeah, now you have to build you have to clean and package now, boss. Okay. MVN. These are same now, boss, earlier. Clean package. MVN clean package. Build failure. Fatal. Invalid target release 21. Invalid target release 21. Oh, here compiler issue is coming, boss. Compiler issue is coming. Invalid target release. Jenkins app. Jenkins app. It's saying that I cannot compile. Fail to default on project Jenkins. Fatal error. Invalid target release 21. Invalid target release 21. I think we have taken project, how much, guys? pom.xml. Okay. Here Docker. No, this is not a problem. Any name you can have. Okay. 2121. In this mission, what's the current version? 1 minute. Java hyphen version. 17 is activated. Can I activate Java? What is there? Can I activate Java? Okay. Can I activate Java 21 in this mission, guys? C drive. What is there? Program files. Java 21 also there in this system. Okay. Then what is there? Bin directory 21 slash bin directory. In this folder itself, set to path is equal to, what is equal to? Set to, oh, not copied. Set to path is equal to, copy this, right? Yeah. Copy this. Array. Small copy not happened from my side. What's happening, guys? Okay. Copy these guys. Say paste. Enter key. Java version. What happened? Acha, acha, and mistake is mine. Slash bin. Slash bin. Java version. 21 is in active mode now, boss. After this, Maven clean package. Acha, only this is set. Previous gone. I understood. Okay, I understood. Yeah, I think you remember all these basics commands. Slash bin, then what? Semicolon, percentile, path percentile. If I don't use this, previous values will go off or not, guys. Okay. Maven clean package. 1 minute. Leave it. I don't set here. I will set in the environment variable. What is there? Bin directory. Copy this. 1 minute. Because when I set this one, previous one gone, guys. Properties. Properties. What is there? This PC. Advanced system settings. Environment variables. Here is what? Path. In the path, new. Array Java bin is already there. Let's make it that one as a first one. That one as a first one. Okay. Open the new command prompt, guys. D drive. Where is this? Docker apps. 701. Demo 5. Where is this? CMD. Java version. That's good. Okay. MVN clean package. MVN clean package. What's the problem? Okay, you have to get into project folder. Docker web star. Right? MVN clean package. Where pom.xml is there you have to use this command. MVN. What is there? MVN. MVN clean package. I hope things will go off. This is nothing is there. Outside Maven version is bit lower version, guys. Outside Maven version is what? Bit lower version. Somehow it is not supporting what? What is it? Is not supporting what, guys? Maven 21 version. Outside Maven is not supporting what? This. Okay, I'll do one thing. Nothing to worry. So problem is there. I agree that, but that is not a great problem. I will run this command here. I will run this command. I will run here. This command here. I'll solve the problem. Wait a minute. Commit change to. Okay, when it is not able to create from command prompt, I'll create from where? Here itself. I'll create here itself. I will put var file directly in the project only, in the Git only. I'll upload, I will get that one. What is there? Not that. Where is this? Run as Maven build. Here what I say? Clean package. Here also we can do it now, my dear. Clean package. Here we have latest Maven version. 3.13 something is there. Here we have latest Maven version. I don't think you will get a problem. Build success. Outside Maven is bit lower version, guys. That's why it's giving. Now in target folder, what is there? Where is there or not there, guys? Refresh. Docker web app is there. If you don't want to create from the command prompt, you can create here. Okay, you down. Now you commit the things. Commit the things. After creating where. I'll do that change. This will reduce headache on your brain, right? You don't want to create where file from the command prompt. You can create from where? Eclipse itself. You can create from what? Eclipse. But now what is the thing, guys? CD dot dot. Now once again you have to do git pull now, boss. Git pull. Now you will get a folder along with where. A folder along with where. So now you need not along with where. So now you need not prepare where in the command prompt. I hope you convinced. Boring. Convinced. Because outside me even compatibility issue is there. Okay. That's why I'm creating here itself or not, guys. Eclipse itself I am creating, right? Now I got the latest one. Now tell me. Docker. Docker. What is there? Web app. Docker web app. So now need not to run the maven command. Already in the target folder, what is there? Where is there? Now I can concentrate directly on what, guys? We can create on what? Building image or not, my dear. I can think about directly building the image or not, my dear. Okay, let's see. Master, clean package. If we verify file in Eclipse, this is optional. If we create this var file in Eclipse ID itself, then doing this work here not required. What not required? Okay. In Eclipse IDE, 1 minute, where we have to commit the project to GitHub. Okay. You can create, what is this? You can create var file for the project in Eclipse itself. What is this? Right click on the project. What, boss? Right click on the project, run as, what is this? Maven build dot dot dot. Maven build dot dot dot. Yeah, what is this? Goals. What is this? MVN clean package. MVN clean package. That's good. MVN clean package. That's great, guys. Okay, we are ready. Now we can concentrate on creating image, guys. Docker, tell me. Docker build -t. -t means with the default Docker file. -t means with the default Docker file. Docker web app. Docker web app image space dot. Docker image space dot. What's the problem? Okay, nothing is there. Expose is not the issue. Tomcat 11 Java 21 latest. Load metadata docker.io.this. It is saying what? This image is not there. It is saying what, guys? This image is not there. Command from should match with the case of what? Command majority. Line number 1. From is any spell mistake, guys? Copy spell mistake. No, yeah. Acha, copy uppercase. No problem. Yeah, no problem, guys. Demo file, Docker web app. Though I created in Eclipse, I can modify here now, boss. Because again, committing, again, changing, these are not required, right? notepad, say just once, say just once, copy, copy, expose. No one noticed, guys. You said, maybe I have not concentrated, it seems. Fine, let it be, guys. Darker image. No, it is not error, guys. It is saying that Tomcat 11 Java 21 is not there. It's saying it's not correct. You give me correct one, right? Okay, no problem. Yeah, it's saying that getting this one is not okay. Now you have to search once again. Let's get into dockerhub.com. Let's get into dockerhub.com. Here you have to search, boss. Okay. Collaboration, search by repository name, search Docker Hub. Tell me. Tomcat, Tomcat 11, JDK 21. Tomcat 11, JDK 21. Where is this? Where I can see that, guys? How to search for products, images? I'm asking to give me images. What is there? Tomcat 11, JDK 21. Okay, Tomcat spell mistake. It's giving every nonsense. It's giving every nonsense. Okay. Type image. What happened? Why it is behaving like this? Come to Docker desktop, Docker hub. What is this? Tomcat 11. I'll type just Tomcat 11. Wait a minute. Just Tomcat 11. Many things have come.
This meeting is being recorded.
There are not there, guys. Okay. Yeah, it will take time, guys. It will take time because we are not working with the Tomcat 10. We are working with what? Tomcat 11. Okay. Until we get the correct image, this process will go on. Until we get the correct image, this process will go on. No option. Yeah. What is there? Copy command is wrong, it is saying. What is the error? Copy target slash Docker web app dot where. Okay, resolve Tomcat this one. Resolve Docker, that's okay. Copy Tomcat dot where. What's the problem in copy, guys? Target/docker web app dot var not found. Oh, dearly not found. Target, guys. Oh, in this one, we have not taken updated content. Did we not take updated content, guys? Come on, everyone. Docker web app has come. Oh, I think we have not pulled the updated content, it seems. Okay, leave it. What is there? Git to pull. Git to pull. Am I right? Okay. CD Docker web star. Okay. CD Docker web star. Tell me next one. Okay. This one. DIR. Okay. Docker file. CD target dir. Why it is not coming, boss? That's happening, my dear. Why it is behaving like this? Something is going against of our wish. It is not it's not allowing me to create var file here. At the same time, if I create the var file somewhere, it is not coming. 1 minute coming. 1 minute. GitHub.com. Where is this? 701, right? Docker web app. Docker web app. What is the folder? Target. Target. Here, where is there or not? When where is here, why it is not coming to what? Our folder. Eh, 1 minute. Demo 5. How to delete the folders, guys? Okay. 1 minute. I delete manually, guys. I delete manually. Demo 5. Okay. I'll delete this folder, which is not doing well. Yeah. Tell me here. Docker pull. Docker pull. I don't mention anything. Okay. So many things came in that one. Where is coming or not coming? Pom.properties target folder. Where is coming, boss? Where is coming now, my dear? Okay, that's great. CD dot CD Docker web. Okay. CD target folder. Yeah. Docker web dot where is ready now? CD dot dot dot. Yes. Okay. Next. Come back. Pull is open. Image creation now. Image creation. Fail to read. Open Docker file. No such file. Now Docker file is not there. What is this? Docker file is not there. dir. Oh, yo. What's happening, boss? Why it is behaving like this? GitHub. Docker web app is there. Is there. In that one, Docker file is there or not there? There. Okay, no problem. No problem. Let's not worry much. Let's not worry much. Let's copy this Docker file. Okay. Let's copy this Docker file, demo file, Docker web app, say paste. Demo web app, say paste. Okay, that's great. Yeah, Docker build image. Okay. What changes, guys? In the Docker file, changes are there now. Okay. Now go to what? This Docker file, notepad, just once. Yeah, from. Okay, that's good. What is next? Copy. What is next? Okay, expose. Expose. Here, some other names have come now, boss. What is the other names we got? In Docker desktop, we got it some name. Tomcat, what is there? Tomcat 11 iPhone, Java 21. Java 21. This one, na? Okay. This name we have taken, my dear. Okay. Here you paste this. Paste this one. Save this. Saved or not, guys? Yeah, done. Next one. Docker, this one. We are ready with the image. We are definitely ready with what? Image. Yeah. Meanwhile, you observe, guys. Okay, we are getting master Maven tool, preparing it. Before image is ready, guys, when you are running, what you have to do? Docker run OS port number, you have to map with 8080. Our Tomcat server of Docker running on which port number? 80. But 8080 is inside the Docker, right? But outside 8080 is busy. So what I'm saying, OS port number, I'm taking 6677 or some other number. If that port number is busy, some other port number. I'm linking with what? 8080 of Docker. As usually, image name and we are running it. This is called port mapping. What mapping, guys? Port mapping. Look at the diagram, what I have given. Tomcat server inside the Docker container running on 8080. On host machine, port number 6677, whatever it is, 6688, I am linking with 8080 or not there. Any port number you can take, guys. Okay, we are ready with the image, boss. Tell me next one. Docker run. What is there? Docker run -p. Okay, I am taking 6699 port number of operating system with 8080. No need of dot. Just we have to give the image name or not there. Enter key. Enter key. Tomcat started. Inside the Docker, Tomcat started. That's good. Here you come here, guys. Local host. What's the port number I have taken? No. 6699. What is the name of the web application? Docker web app 1. Only Docker web app, right? Okay, guys. Enter key. Docker web app. Double 6677. Whatever port we map, guys, that's not an issue. Docker web app. Followed by that, server number this, port number mapping is happening. Okay, waiting. This is happily running, boss. This is happily running. What's the port number mapping we have done? 6699. Okay, it's actually doing well. Docker run -p, this web app image. What is our image? Docker web app image. Okay, it's running nicely, boss. What is the error? Docker web app. That's the application name, na boss? Any other name? What's the var file name? Docker web app only, na, or web app one, na? Docker web app / what is there? Index.html. What .html? Index.html. App, 1 minute. Index.html. Requested resource not available. But actually the WAR file only we are deploying. Local web app, Docker web app only deployed. Copy is also done. Copy also done. Tomcat server started. What is started, guys? Tomcat server started. Red Hat, Catalina.pid. Something is going wrong, guys. Tomcat server, that's okay. Let me check Eclipse level application running. Run on server. Tomcat 11. Say next. Say finish. Restart server. Docker web app. Docker web app. That's great. Docker web app. It's running over there. There is no issue at all. There is no issue at all. Just a minute. Team commit change 1 minute. Docker file. Here also we do change, guys. Copy. Here also we write what? Expose. What is the Docker file content, guys? 21. Yeah, I think this image only some problem is there. This image only some problem is there. That's good. Okay, change 1. That's close. 1 minute. Demo 5 folder. I'm deleting everything. I'll get everything fresh copy, guys. I'll try to get everything as what? Fresh copy. Yeah, give me few minutes time. Give me few minutes time. Okay. Our thought is right. Everything is right. Okay, no problem. Demo 5 folder, guys. CMD. Here, what is this? Git init. Okay, already there. Already there. Okay, now what is there, guys? We'll try once with this Tomcat 11. If not happening, again tomorrow we will meet and we'll one more time with try with Tomcat 11. If not happening, we have to adjust with the Tomcat 10. Why? Because they are not giving another images. Tomcat 11 with Java 21, only one image is available, right? Okay, if not happening, we'll change the versions to Tomcat 10 and JDK 17, which is already proven and working in my system, right, boss? Okay, today we'll try, tomorrow also we'll try one more time. If not happening, we'll downgrade to what? That is not our problem, Docker images problem. Right, okay, now tell me guys, Git to pull. Patience is required. In software industry, patience is required. Okay. If not that version, this version you have to try. Yeah, tell me here, github.com. What is there? Repo tools 701. Total 3 projects are there, right? Okay, Docker file, updated file has come. Yes, updated file has come. Updated file has come, but no target folder is there, guys. Did we get the target folder? No. There, target folder is also there. var file. Okay. We'll try to create var file also, na? But here, there, na, why it is not coming? That's my question. Here already there, boss. Why it is not taking it? Okay. Yeah. Me when run as, what is there? Me when build clean package. Apply, run it. Apply and what? Run. One last time, guys, we are doing it. Okay. Done. Done. We try to commit the change. Team commit the change. Okay. Team commit. Change 12. Some number. Don't worry about this. Git staging. Commit and push. Done. Come here. Refresh. Docker web app. Target folder. Where is there? Okay. Once where is there, git pull. What is there? Git pull. Come here. Where is this? Copy this. Come here. Say paste. Enter key. Where is there or not there, guys? Okay. That's good. Docker, fast forward, Docker, this. What is this? Docker web. Docker web. Tell me. Now, what is there, guys? Docker, tell me. Build. Hyphen T. What? Hyphen T. Hyphen T. Data not required. Hyphen T. Docker web app hyphen image. Say dot. Docker hyphen web app image. That is done. Right. Next one. Docker run hyphen P. Okay. Hyphen P. 666699 colon 8080. What is the name, guys? Docker web app hyphen image. Enter key. Okay. I think after hyphen P space, right? Yes. No? What's the problem? Docker run. Oh, that port is already in running mode. That is not stopped, it seems. That is not stopped. Already one Docker is running. Okay, already one Docker container is running, right? Containers. Let's delete the containers, guys. Containers local. Is there any local containers I have? Natraz doc. Delete it. Delete it. Delete it. I'm deleting the containers, boss. Okay, fine. I deleted the existing containers. Okay, this is the one. Yeah, it is running, boss. Up to this cool, but port mapping is the issue for me. Yes, local host 6699 / what is this? Docker web app. Enter key. After 2/. That is not required. It will take automatic. You need not to give, guys. It will take automatically. Index.html. What dot HTML? Index.html. It's not happening, guys. Okay. Yeah. You want me to wind up today? If you give me another 10 minutes, I'll wind up by changing the version. Sure. You have 10 minutes? Okay, na? All right. 10 minutes. Not much. Just 10 minutes. Ladies, okay, na? Okay. Yeah. Now, what is the problem, guys? Problem is coming with the version, right? Okay. Now, let's change version to go to pom.xml. Go to pom.xml. Change version to 17, my dear. Change version to 17. Here also change version to 17. Okay. 17, right? Okay. 2 times I used what? 17. Okay, let it be, guys. Yeah, pom.xml 17 version. Apart from that, any other thing, remove this. We'll prepare outside only. If it is 17 version, no problem. We can build what? Everything outside. We can prepare everything what? Outside. Yes. Okay. Now, help, guys. Tell me. Commit. Change. Okay, something. 123. Master this. Taken, boss. Demo 5. Demo 5. Remove this folder also. What is this? Remove this folder also. Come to command prompt. What is there, guys? Come to command prompt. Yeah, tell me here. What is the one we are looking for? Yeah. Git to pull, right? Yeah. Git to pull. Yeah. This is the URL. 1 minute. Git to pull entire master you copy. Already up to date. Tell me here. CD Docker web app. CD. Acha, one more mistake happened, boss. Yeah, what is the mistake is you have to open Docker file. Here we have to take what? Tomcat 10. What is there? Colon JDK. Tomcat colon according to material. What is there, guys? 10 after, okay, this is different syntax, guys. I understood. Okay. What is there? Eclipse. Tomcat colon 10 hyphen JDK 17. Done. Okay. File save. It's been saved. Okay. Right. Git staging. Docker web app. Change something. Click on commit. Okay. We have taken the change, guys. Okay. Git to pull. What is there? Master. Git to pull master. Git to pull master. Docker file, some changes are there. We have seen. Docker web app. Yes, boss. Tell me next one. MVN. What is there? Clean package. Last attempt. Success or failure, we'll see tomorrow. Okay, na? Build success. Today no error. Okay, na? Because 17 version. We are asking to take 17 version, no error. So now we are ready with var file, it seems. Okay, now var file. Now we have to build the image, guys. Docker system prune-a. What is there? Prune-a. That's good. Next one. Yeah, tell me next one. Docker. Docker build. What is there? Docker build. -t. What is there? -t. Docker web app. Image. Okay. Docker build. Right now, web app. Super, guys. We are preparing this. We are preparing image. Things are good so far. Things are good so far. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Followed by that, what is there, guys? Docker web. Docker, where is this, guys? Docker run. -p. Okay. 6699. What is there? 8080. Docker web app. What is there? IMG. Yeah. Port number already in use. Same problem, guys. Yeah, this is already what? There. Delete forever. Deleting. It is also there. Delete forever. Deleted. Okay. Once again, run, guys. Okay. Now, server started. All these things happening, boss. Deployment also done. This time, proper log messages came now, boss. So earlier, not problem with me. Problem with what? Application. Okay. Now, what's there? It's running on port number, localhost docker web app dot var. It's running on what? 8080. But 8080 is busy in our system or not, guys? That's why we mapped our physical computer. What is there? 6699 slash. What is the URL, guys? Am I practicing wrongly? Okay, that's right. Docker. What is there? Web app. Docker web app. Are requested resource not found. How come, ra? Index.html. Requested resource not found. Very bad, ra. It is clearly saying, what is there? On 8080 as finished deployment, right? It is clearly telling or not, guys? As finished, it's what? Deployment. Array, what's happening, guys? Port number, localhost 8080, Docker web app. Except output, everything is coming, guys. No, all messages are coming nicely. Yeah, I think we have to assemble one more day, guys. Tomorrow we'll assemble. See, it's happily showing everything positively. Did you notice that? Server started, right? Server started. Deployment of web application happened. This, everyone understanding my statement, guys? 8080 Apache Tomcat. Now Docker web app.var. Docker web app. It's happening, but output is not coming. Okay, we'll try tomorrow, guys. We'll try. Okay, only to finish that, we'll tomorrow. Okay, we'll conclude tomorrow. I'll also check where is going wrong. Thank you. Give complete path. 93 user/tomcat. No, that is not required, guys. That is not required. Thank you. I think somewhere we are stacking up. We'll see tomorrow. What is that?